Alright, so this is how my box came from Influenster.com with a nice little note from the Postal Service saying, sorry, we screwed up your package. Let's see if I can open it. Ugh, it's definitely soapy. Influenster. Kind of hard to film one-handed. Ugh. The cardboard is just peeling back. Oh look, they tried to tape it. So it's more than halfway from the coconut butter. Oh, and I can feel the hole right there. That's that one. The vitamin E. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there we go. There's only that much left. Ugh, my bubble wrap is soap filled. The cards are ruined. And that's the inside of the box. So big shout out to my post office for ruining my Influenster package. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Sorry for the short video, but it was supposed to be an unboxing and this is what I got. Look at that. Blech. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.